Hello, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to Monastic Online Classes, and today I am going to teach the remaining topic of set of class 6 and 7. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about set relation. In set relation, first we have to discuss about equal set. And in equal set, we are going to take two sets. One set A is called to ABC and B is called to CAB. Means in equal set what we have to see. See, first we have to see their cardinal number. So we are saying means in this set A 3 elements, set B 3 elements. It means cardinal number is same. Second things, we have to see their element. So what you are finding? Element also same. That's why, how can we define? You can say two sets A and B are said to be equal set if they have same element, which we are finding here. And this equal set is noted by which A equals B. See second one is equivalent set. In equivalent set, what we have to see? For that take, already given there A is equal to, take M, E, N. Take B is equal to 1, 2, 3. See, actually in these two sets, what we are finding? We are finding that their cardinal number means in this set A, 3 elements, in set B, 3 elements. It means what? It means that cardinal number is same. And when the cardinal number is same, it means we said that is equivalent sets. That's why, how can we define? You can say two sets A and B are said to be equivalent set if they have same cardinal number. It means what? If cardinal number same, easily we can say equivalent set. See, and one more thing we have to learn. What we have to learn? That equal set. This equal set means for that take A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equals to 1, 3, 2. See what you're finding? This equal set. It means what? This equal set easily we can say they are equivalent set. But this equivalent set which I have taken there, this can't be equal set. This thing we have to know on topic equal set and equivalent set. Number third, overlapping set. In overlapping means overlap. Means how can we define? For that, take two sets. Take A is equals to 1, 2, 3. B equals to 3, 4. See, we have taken two sets. What is given there? That these two sets A and B are said to be what? Overlapping set. When if what? If they have some common elements. It means what? In these both set, there should be common. So what we are finding? These three common. It means when there is some common element, it means we said that is overlapping set. Next, disjoint set. For the take, M is equal to ABC, N is equal to EFGH. Means in these two sets what we are finding? These two sets what we are finding? We are finding that there is no common element. And when there is no common element, it means what? It means that is disjoint set. That's diagram of disjoint set shown here and overlapping set is given there. It means this is the topic about equal set, equivalent set, overlapping set and disjoint sets. Okay. See, after this, our next topic is subset. For subset, take W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now question comes, what is subset? You can say what? Two sets are said to be, or set A is said to be subset of W if all element of this A, if all element of set A is where? Also in set W. It means if all elements of set A are in set W. It means what? That means it is subset. So which A subset W. And for subset, this is the symbol, and how you read? Easily you can say A subset B. Next one is superset. What is superset? Easily we have said what? That if this set A is subset of set W, if set A is subset of set W, then this W is called superset of A. And for symbol, simply means what? This is the symbol for superset. Third one, proper subset. So what is proper subset? For that take A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to 1, 3, 5. So what is said here? What you can define? You can say this set A is said to be proper subset of B. If set A is said to be proper subset of set B, when? If it contains at least one more element. For example, see, B is equal to 1, 3, 5. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you are finding? That A contains one means more element than which? Than set B. That's why what is here? B proper subset of A. And in this question comes now, how can you find number of subset? How can you find number of proper subset? To find number of subset, easily you can say that number of subset is equal to 2 to the power n. Now question comes, this n for what? Simply you can say this n for number of element. And see, next one, proper subset, that is 2 to the power n minus 1. Last one is universal set. Now question comes, what is universal set? For that, take one example first. Like student of class 7. Means student of class 7, in that boys of class 7 and girls of class 7. It means what? That student of class 7, it means what? That means universal set. But that boys of class 7 and girls of class 7, it means what? It means girls of class 7 and boys of class 7, that means subset. That's why I said here, the set under its consideration in which elements are selected. Means what we see there means when we select the element, so what happens? The many other subset forming there. When many other subset formed, it means what? That means it is universal set, and that universal set is denoted by U. Okay, see, after that our next topic is set operation. In that set operation, what we are finding, total there are 4 fundamental set operations. So what are they? The first one is union of set, second one is intersection of set, third one is difference of set, and last one is complement of set. Means about these four fundamental operations we are going to discuss. From that, first topic is union of set. So what we are seeing here, that simply you can say, if A and B means this A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. In this what we say, that if A and B are said to be union of set if they belongs to set A or set B or both. Means they belongs to A or B or both. For example, taken there, A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Same. So what taken here? A is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. B is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8. Same. One more put here. Take there 9 and 10. Same. A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Means two set. Now we have known that this is what? This is the symbol for union. Its name is union or cop. You can say A union B or A cop B. And now see, the first element, take 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. See, union B, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. So now what we are finding here? Same. While taking the element, what you have to see? If same element is coming there, so what happens there? Only one element you have to take. Like, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But what you are finding here? 9. Common there. When 9 is common, it means what? From this 1, 9. Now what is left here? 10. So like this, we can find A union B. Means we can know how to find union of set. Next one, intersection of set. See, intersection of set means what? You can say, if A and B are two sets, means intersection of set A and B is what? Is that set in which all elements should belong where? To both set A and B. Means if it comes to both set A and set B, it means what? It means that it is intersection of set. For example, see A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So now see, in these both, what you are finding here? If you take here, take A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8. Our question is A intersection B. See here, A in the means both. Both means what? See, 2, 4. It means what? That element are finding both set A and set B. That's why what we say, we can say that A intersection B is equals to 2, 4. So like this, simply we can know how to find intersection of set. Third one is difference of set. See, for difference of set, how can you define? So we can say that the difference of two sets, for that take set A and set B. So what you say? The difference of two sets A and B denoted by A difference B written as minus, but while reading tell A difference B is the set of all element contained where? Contained only by A but not by B. Means that element should belong where? Only in set A but not in set B. For example, say A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you are finding here? See, the simply actually only in A. The sing 1, leave. See, 3 also here, 5 also here. But what is not in B? That is 7 and 9. It means what? These 7 and 9, these element belongs where? That belongs in A difference B. Next one is B difference A. How to define? Simply you can say the difference of B and A denoted by B difference A is the set of all elements where contained only in B but not in A. Means only by B but not by A. For example, take A is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what we are finding here? See, the in B and A, see 1 common, leave. 2 not in A, take 2. 3 leave it. 4 not in A. 5. It means what? These 2 and 4, these are the elements which belongs only in B, not in A. That's why this belongs to where? B difference A. Last one is complement of set. So what is said here? For complement of set, that if a set U, means if set A is the subset of universal set U, then its complement denoted by which? By a complement, means these are the symbol for complement of set. What you say? Is the set which is formed, is the set which is formed due to the difference of which? Difference of U and A. That is U difference A. Example, see, U is equal to 1 to 10 and A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So while doing difference, you have to see that element which should not in A. For example, see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 came there. So what not came? That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That's why it means what? It means this is the complement of set A. Okay. At last, a topic is Venn diagram. It means now question comes how to draw A union B, A intersection B, or difference or complement. In that condition, first of all, you have to see the diagram. What diagram is given there? For example, same, only A given here and U. Simply when say what? That A is subset of U. Second, see, this part is overlap. It means when overlap part is here. That's why you can say A and B are overlapping set. Here, both separate means disjoint. Means separate, that's why this set A and set B are disjoint set. Same. Same thing here. Like if common elements are given there. Like seeing there, means same figure. In this, if whole A and whole B, if that is colored, it means what? A union B. For disjoint set, if A is colored, B is colored, it means A union B. Similarly, for intersection, means this part, means common part is colored, it means A intersection B. Similarly, in A and B, what we are finding? That if only A, means if this part is only colored, it means what? It means that is A difference B. Similarly, for disjoint, same thing. If set A and set B given there, in disjoint, if means A only color, it means A difference B. Similarly, B difference A, what you have to see? For B means B difference at first, what comes? B. When B comes, that's why, and B is color here, that's why B difference A. Disjoint means in A and B colored, that's why B difference A. Similarly, for complement, if A and U given, what you are finding here, the outer parts, not this set A. Outer, this is called, it means what? It means that is a complement. For A union B, what you are finding? This inner part is not colored. Where colored? Outer parts. Means inner part means what? That means A union B. But the outer is colored. That's why A union B complement. Next one. See, for intersection. See here. This part is only colored. That A intersection B. But this part is not colored. This part means what? A intersection B. This outer part is colored due to it is complement. Means A intersection B complement. Similarly, see, this part not colored. It means what? B difference A. Except this only B, whole part is colored. That's why complement. Same thing here. In this set, what you are finding there? In this set, we are finding that this A is not colored. It means what? A difference B. Means except only A, whole part is colored. That's why A difference B complement. Means these are the Venn diagrams by which easily you can find whatever the diagram is given there.